What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And after the wait of almost an year and so, the OnePlus is finally unveiling its OnePlus tablet and it's known as the Oneplus Pad. Now the official teasing has been started by the OnePlus itself in the global market, and you can expect this tablet to be launching alongside with the Cloud IB11 of the OnePlus launch event happening on 7th of February. Now, we have also recently seen the CAD and renders of these tablets directly, and it does come with a unique back design. Now, as you know that the OnePlus Pad will look a lot like the other tablets in the market from the front, but back is definitely going to be this different one and will be a bit inspired by the OnePlus 11 series of smartphone having the round camera at the center. Now, what we know about this tablet as of now is that it will be coming with the 11.6 inch of a display, and it will be an LCD panel with a high refresh rate of 144 Hz. Now, this is again a good display when you can consider the pricing of this tablet is going to be around. We'll discuss that later in the video. But what we have also known about this tablet is that it will be coming with the 10,000 mAh battery. You will also be getting two cameras at the back, one being the main sensor and another will be a depth sensor. Now, apart from that, the bezels are going to be the slimmer one as you can expect from this tablet, and the alert slider will not be present in this tablet. Also, one thing to notice is that the camera placement in the front of this tablet is going to be the horizontal one, so you can use this tablet in the video calling mode easily. Now, apart from that, what also is coming to be with this tablet is the 67 watts of fast charging capacity compared, and the charger will be included in the box as we get to know from the OnePlus devices as of now. Well, we hope that this won't be a different case for the OnePlus Pad 2. Well, the software still remains to be a mystery on this tablet, but we can expect an Android 13 out of the box on this tablet, and you can get up to 2 years of a major OS upgrade and 3 years of a security patch in this tablet. Now, the Oxygen OS has been designed for the smartphone, and OnePlus may not be bringing this experience to the tablet, and it can go from the Oppo's Color OS. Now, what we also know about this tablet is its price, and the price of this tablet you can expect to be around 25 to 30,000 rupees, as is the first of this OnePlus tablet, and it won't be getting a very higher level of the price level, or even you won't be getting a flagship experience out of this tablet. Now, what do you think about this video? If you like it, share it, and also subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.